Kirchhoff's law. Kirchhoff's law. Kirchhoff's law states that first law, the algebraic sum of all the current meeting at a point is equal to 0. The algebraic sum of all the current meeting at a point is equal to 0. Okay. I1, I2, I3, I4, I5. Okay. Then I1 plus I2 is equal to I3 plus I4 plus I5. Then this is parallel I1 plus I2 minus I3 minus I4 minus I5 is equal to 0. The algebraic sum of all the current meeting at a point is equal to 0. The algebraic sum of all the algebraic sum of the EMFs in any loop in a circuit is equal to the sum of the product of the currents and resistances okay. In this way we draw okay. A B E F D, A B C D E F. Okay. Then loop A B E F A. Loop A B E F A. Then current move in this direction. A B E F A. Okay. Then minus I2 R2 plus E2, okay, minus I3 R3 plus E3 is equal to 0. Then loop B C D E B, B C D E B. In loop B C D E B, then okay, B C D E B, I1 R1 minus E1 minus E2 minus I2 R2 plus I2 R2 is equal to 0. Okay, then I2 is equal to I1 plus I3. Okay, I1 plus I3. Minus I2 R2, current in this direction, move in direction, then minus I2 R2. Okay, then plus E2 in this direction, minus I3 R3 minus E3. Okay, this is the second Wheatstone bridge. Then we find the Wheatstone bridge. What is Wheatstone bridge? This is we will erase this loss first. Is this figure is very important. Then you have to remember these figures, and we first then we will erase this loss. We will discuss this topic about Kirchhoff's law, that is Wheatstone bridge. In Wheatstone bridge, this is a electrical circuit that uses two legs of the circuit, measures the unknown resistors. Measures the unknown resistor. The Wheatstone bridge had two unknown components, two unknown resistors, and one is known resistor and one is variable resistors. I will draw a figure that is Wheatstone bridge. Very easy, and this is a class 12 topics. Okay, this is a very important long question. So we will discuss Wheatstone bridge. That is okay. We attach a galvanometer. Two legs in a circuit. This is okay. Then this is I1P. Okay, this is I minus I1. This is current is Ig. Okay, A, B, C, D. Okay, A, B, C, D, P, Q, R, S. This is I1 minus Ig, that is I minus I1 plus Ig. Okay, this is Wheatstone bridge. Wheatstone bridge. Wheatstone bridge is an electrical circuit that uses two legs of circuit. Okay, there and it measures the unknown resistor. Okay, that is called Wheatstone bridge. That is then loop ABDA. Loop ABDA. In loop ABDA, that is plus to minus, that is plus to minus, then plus to minus. Okay, ABDA minus I1P minus IGG, okay, minus I minus I1 I minus I1 R, okay. Then loop B C D B C D B in BCDB is equal to 0. This is equal to 0. BCDB in BCDB B minus I1 minus IG plus IGG, okay, minus I minus I1 plus IG is equal to 0. This is plus minus plus to minus minus I1P minus plus to minus minus IGG, okay, D to B plus, okay, plus IGG, but this is IGG minus ABDA. When we move from AB, that is minus, the current is flowing from this and in this direction, then in this direction, then current will flow in this direction, okay. Then minus, current move from this to this, minus I1P, current move from this to this, minus direction, minus IGG. Then current move from I1 minus I, this is plus, okay, this is plus. Plus minus to plus, current move from minus to plus, plus IGG, okay, that is plus IGG, okay. I minus I1 into R, I minus IGG plus I minus I1 into R. Loop, we find P by Q is equal to R by S. This is the Wheatstone bridge. Then Ig is equal to 0. Very easy long question. We have to practice it. Then we know the all these things. Then we have to write in this way. I1P, IGG will be 0. That is Ig is equal to 0. Is equal to minus I minus I1 into R. Then other equation will be 0. Then minus I1 minus IG, okay, I1 minus Ig into Q. This is Q, okay, this is Q. P by Q is equal to R by S. We write here. Wait, okay, R S, P Q R S. Then IGG, okay, Ig is equal to 0. I1Q minus I1Q is equal to minus I minus I1 plus IG S. Ig is equal to 0, so need not required to write Ig. Ig is equal to 0, okay. This value put value, this value we put, that is Ig is equal to 0. Then minus I1Q is equal to minus I minus I1 into S. This is equation number first. This is equation number second, okay. Then this is equation number third. This is equation number 4. We dividing equation number 3 by 4. Then this will cancel, this will cancel. I1 minus minus will be cancelled. I1p divided by I1q is equal to I minus I1 into R divided by I minus I1 into S. This will cancel, this will cancel. Then we get P by Q is equal to R by S. Okay, in this way we have to find the value P by Q is equal to R by S. What is Wheatstone bridge? Once again I repeat the definition of Wheatstone bridge. Wheatstone bridge is an electrical circuit that uses two legs of a circuit and measures the unknown components. Okay, measure and unknown components, that is the Wheatstone bridge. The Wheatstone bridge has two unknown resistors, measures the unknown resistors, and it has two unknown resistors. One is known resistors and one is variable resistors. This is balancing the legs of circuit. Okay, legs of circuit, which one contains that unknown resistors. Okay, that is all about Wheatstone bridge. Thank you.